Alright, hey, what's going on, guys? We won't get to see this video till later on, but we thought we would like to record a quick camping video of us opening Pokemon cards. So we're having fun here where we're camping, and so we're looking forward to more fishing and camping s'mores.
We got some bullhead with a catfish!
Yeah, well, I'll put some pictures up here so you can see the fish we caught, especially this guy. He's a good fisherman. Alright, you ready to open some?
Yes.
Alright, you can go first.
Hard with that.
There you go.
Okay, let's see what I got. Let's see what I got. Shiny one.
Show mama, show mama.
Whoa! Cool, huh?
Yep.
Next one, next one.
These are the Dollar Tree ones?
Yeah, Dollar Tree.
Or Family Dollar.
I think these are the Family Dollar ones. Camp What else?
Pikachu!
No way. Let's see. Hold it.
Pikachu, my favorite.
Cool.
Cool.
All
Okay,
right.
what do you got?
Sinistine, Lulu, and Energy. Put them right here. Are you ready for the next one, Luke?
Oh, yes. I'm ready for the next one. For a shiny. Do you have a shiny in there?
Oh, we'll see if we got a shiny in there. Here you go.
Shiny or not? Whoa!
Shiny or not, here I come. What is it?
Look at the clam Pokemon.
Shoulder?
Shoulder.
Mm-hmm. Right, babe?
Yeah, put them right here.
Maybe you should show them because it's hard to...
Oh
Me show 'em?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Oh, Quick Ball Reverse Hollow.
Look,
There you go.
this is the best one ever.
Let's see. You got Galvantula. All right, Daddy's turn. We got Rosalia, Ghastly, and Dark Energy.
We have more?
Yes, we got.
No, it's your turn.
Oh, it's your turn. I just did mine right now.
Oh.
There you go.
I just already did one.
I know. We'll try to do them quick. It's a quick video. Uh-oh, we got a little one coming over here. Hey, you. You. All right, show it. Let's see.
Oh my gosh!
What was it?
Krogan?
Krogan.
Oh, that's what he got. Okay. We got
No way!
Charcoal V.
Look, I saw a shiny
So
one.
cool.
I saw a shiny.
Man, he's lucky, dude.
Yay!
Galarian Lilionu. Got it?
Yes.
Ready? Alright, Daddy's turn. We got Pikachu, Galarian Meow, and Rhydon. Alright, you ready for your
Now
turn?
it's my turn. Yes, I can't wait to get a shiny one.
Yeah, you got one already. Charcoal V.
Yes.
Torco V?
Yeah, Charcoal
I can't wait to get that one again. Now that's the beginning. What? It came to the fall.
Let's see.
It's the fall.
It's evolved. Stage 1.
He's
Blacky.
skunk.
Galarian Stunfisk.
I see what I see.
That was a reverse hollow, huh?
Uh-huh. And Q-Fan.
Wait, they didn't see it. Cool.
Cute.
Daddy's turn.
Now it's your turn and then it'll be mine, right?
Krabby, Q-Fat, and Q-Rat. Ready?
And now my turn.
Alright.
Sorry, I'm moving around, guys. We don't got a tripod.
There we go.
Okay, let's see what I got. One. Fishing pole!
Oh, cool. It's so
Alright.
appropriate for
For
our
camping.
trip. Ordinary rod, right?
Yes, reverse hollow synesty.
Cool.
Ooh, yamper.
Oh, so cute. He's so cute.
He is a cute one.
Alright, is that your turn?
I love the dog Pokemon.
We got flip bug, reverse hollow
Oops.
blink bug, and right on.
Right on.
Now it's my turn.
Alright, here we go.
My turn. Oh. Yeah, that was scary.
Let's see.
Scary.
Look, I saw something. That was scary.
Cool. Okay, next one.
Okay.
His fingernails are dirty because of the...
Dirt and having fun.
Yeah.
Whoa.
See now.
Cool.
Scary.
And right hard.
Yeah. I hope I get that one.
Daddy's turn.
I hope I don't run out of packs.
Rookity.
Hang on. Wait, don't go so fast.
Rookity. Sizzlipede. And evolution incense.
Cool.
Now my turn. I hope I don't waste packs.
Waist back.
Waste packs. We ain't wasting packs. Oh.
There you go.
Now I hope it's. Lightning bolt!
Lightning energy. Shoulder.
This is the almost one.
And Krogunk.
And who?
Krogunk.
Krogunk.
Now, we have a lava.
Yeah, one more left and that's yours because you get last pack magic always. Krogunk. Then Galarian Meow.
And there's
Water.
Water energy. Okay.
You got the last one.
Last pack magic. You won this pack battle so far because you got that
Torkoal V.
Torkoal V.
There you go.
Okay, let's see. Show us. Show
We
the
got
people.
Sea King.
Another fish.
Grookey.
Yeah, another fish. And you got Grookey.
I saw a snail.
Yeah, let's see. Oh, it's a snake. Sanaconda.
Santa Conda.
All right.
Cool. So let's see the winning.
The winning one, which was Torkoal V. Here it is. And I have it right here.
I won. 1, 2, 3. I won.
You do win.
All right.
Winner, winner.
Yeah.
Catfish dinner.
That was nice. All right, that's it, guys. Well, I'll have this ready for you when we get back from our trip. But other than that, you guys have a good day. See you next time.